We are stuck in this ongoing battle whether the word socialist and secular must remain be the part of Indian constitution or not. I think government succeeded in attracting this large number of people to take part in this argument. I want to clear to all my viewers that before we take part in this argument, we need to find out the relevancy of such topics and to see whether it is just a political motivation or there is something more for the society, right? So for this, we need to first check the nature of the Indian constitution. Trust me, after you do that, all your doubts would be clear. So let's get back to the Indian constitution. When you read Indian constitution, specifically article 14, 15, 16, 39, 41 and 43, all you will find is that all these articles are based on social approach, means these are socialist based article 14 deals with equality, article 15 deals with the benefit for backward classes, article 16 is talking about employment opportunity for all people, article 39 B and C deal with that the state should ensure that no concentration of wealth should be perceived or existing in the country and should also regulate allocation of natural resources equally among all people. Article 41, Article 43 also deal with the benefits of the worker. In fact, the Minimum Wage Act took inspiration from the Article 43, which ensured minimum wages for the labor. All these articles are based on socialist approach. Now, coming back to the secular point, when we read Article 25, 26, 27, 28, all these articles reflect the secular position of the constitution. So the question that arises here is that what we are going to receive right after this change that perhaps we might have in few days, or the next thing as a question that comes to my mind, is it just a politically driven argument just to attract voters as Indira Gandhi did in 1976? You know why? Because before 1966 there were socialist policies. What was that 5-year plan where land reforms were introduced to distribute land among people? What were those other policies based on education, based on allocating of natural resources among people? All were reflecting the socialist approach of the constitution, and this was all happening before this introduction of this secular and socialist in this 42nd amendment. So we need to be very careful that this is